Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by importing your source clip and selecting it in the timeline so Premiere knows what to transcribe. Once done, open the text panel and choose Transcribe sequence. Pick a language and choose speaker detection if you need separate speakers. Make sure to set transcription model to enhanced for clearer speech in noisy files and leave auto punctuation enabled. This gets you directly into processing, no extra menus, just import, select, and start transcription so the engine can analyze your audio. Once the initial transcript appears, scan for obvious errors and use the timeline in and out points to retranscribe only troubled segments to save time. Make sure speaker labels are assigned correctly. If not, merge or split speakers manually so captions map properly. Use the inline editor to correct words and take advantage of find and replace for repeated terms like names or technical words. Also, adjust the confidence display so you can quickly target low-confidence phrases for manual correction. To finish, generate captions from the corrected transcript and choose your export format: SRT for separate files, VTT for web, or burn-in for hard-coded text. Once exported, preview the sequence to confirm timing, line breaks, and safe area placement, then export final media. If transcription errors persist, check the audio track, reduce noise, normalize levels, or provide a clean WAV and retranscribe with the enhanced model. Finally, if speaker labels shift, reassign them in the text panel and re-export captions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.